Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy OG Vibe, and if you are new to the Vibe Tribe, welcome. On this channel we do travel, skincare, men's. I'm about to get into fitness because these guns, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, comment down below if you want me to do some fitness stuff as well. We have a new PR package from one of my one of my growing favorite brands, Naturium. Susan Yara is over there doing an amazing job. They're releasing so many new and different products. Can't even keep up. Today, I think it's gonna be a launch of some, it looks like some lip stuff. I'm not sure. The promo was very kind of like, you know, low key, but I think it's gonna be lip stuff. Comment down below what you think it's gonna be today. So without further ado, let's get into this PR package. Excuse the dirtiness of this package. I live in the Caribbean, so it takes a while to get here, and in customs, manhandles the stuff. However, I'd like to point out that Naturium really is killing the game. Naturium knows the assignment, always knows the assignment when it comes to PR packages. And I'm just going to open it up for you guys. Look at this. Look at package. This is presentation, baby, okay? So we're just gonna go through it, and it is the Multi-peptide Moisturizer. Before I get into this, I just want to let you know that I prepped my face with the double cleanse. I love these. I call them the twins. I don't know. They just look so good. Like, they look so good and they feel so good. Like, the cleansing oil is really good. I really love the fermented rice enzyme cleanser. I really would recommend getting that. I did that for cleansing. And for my treatment steps, I did a little bit of niacinamide and a little bit of my azelaic topical acid. Okay, and I use this one at night, just FYI. It already has niacinamide in there. Both of them do, but I use this one at night and I use this one during the day because it has in its vitamin C, and it's a very good antioxidant. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know the face is Naturium heavy today. Hello, meet our superstar Naturium Multi-peptide Moisturizer. It isn't too heavy or too light. She's just right and works for every skin type. I know that's right. When you're just right, you are just right. I love that they have the little chemistry background here. If you did not know, my bachelor's degree is in chemistry. So I love that they included this on the back. Peptides are the focus in this moisturizer because they're the building block of proteins that are vital for our skin functions like collagen, elastin, and keratin, okay? So definitely an amazing ingredient to have in your moisturizer. It gets that skin barrier back intact, okay? Because it is the building block for all of these important proteins. And they also included antioxidants with niacinamide, encapsulated ethylated vitamin C, and magnolia bark bioactives to smooth and even skin tone and texture. Okay, so this is the card. Love it, love it. It gives you everything that you need to know, so you don't need to do much research when you get this package. Oh, before I get to the main star, check this out. This pack, do you see this? It is a Naturium and well-insulated bag, okay? This is more than just a cute bag. We partnered with Well Insulated because they're a woman-owned business on a mission to keep our products safe and sound. Each bag offers high-performance insulation to regulate temperature and lessen the potential for bumps and scratches, okay? Hello glass bottles. You provide peace of mind when you put it in your suitcase. And I'm about to be traveling all 2021 summer. So this is about to be an inside. Can you see inside? It's like the things that you put on your windscreen to keep the sun in, right? You know what I mean? This, it's like a reflective inside, and it has a zip in here. Let me show you the zip. Wait, let me see. Right here has a zip. I really like this bag, and it is fancy and fashion forward. So I really am going to use this, and a lot of products could fit in here. I've been working out, y'all, and since I started working out, before I even lift a feather, I start to sweat. This body is acting, this metabolism is up and it's stuck, okay? Anyway, the main guy, the moment we've all been waiting for, because I want to test this out and see what it's giving. And of course, it's gonna match the little tote. Of course. Are you ready for us to give it a little try? Because my face is ready, and before I sweat everything else off my face, let's get into the Multi-peptide Moisturizer. Let's see. Oh, I think the angle is very important because it took a little while to kind of get out. I mean, it's new, so I expected that, but even when I tilted a little bit, so it needs a little proper angle. So I'm gonna use this much. I like a lot of moisture for my skin. It's gonna be sitting there all day, not reapplying. So the texture is thick and just upward motions. like this, like so. Give you a little closer to see. It's blending in really well. It is super smooth. Get my neck and on my ears, so everything is okay. It's blending in really well. I love. Do you see this glow, baby? I love the glow. I love the glow. The glow is giving what it's supposed to give. The assignment was understood, and that's it. That's it. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's nothing more for this video. I just feel like the packaging was bomb, product is bomb. So we can leave. Comment down below if you've tried it and let me know what you think about it and if you like the glow, if it's giving what it's supposed to give. Thank you for checking this video out. It's your boy OG Vibe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, Naturium.